Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we're looking at a Blood Bowl team card pack. This is the Nurgle team. These are from 2018 and you do need the Blood Bowl base game and the Death Zone Season 1 to get the most out of this, to really use it at all. So you're definitely going to need the Blood Bowl expansion, Death Zone. I can't talk today. So let's open this up, see what the cards look like, see if they're worth it. See what's inside. Now, since these are the new ones from 2018, they are going to be compatible with the new game. I don't think they're going to really work for the old one, but here we are. Alright, so we start off with some star player cards, and we got quite a few of those. Then we're going to have, there's a referee card, some special play cards, and then the Nurgle team cards. So let's start with what's on top here first. Star player cards, we've got Morgan Thorg, we've got Tali Glocklinger, Nurgle's secret weapon, and he is not cheap. Then we've got Bulla Shardhorn. This is a Pestigore, 230,000 gold pieces. Oh well, stats look pretty good. Then we've got Lewd Grip Whip Arm. This is a Slaanesh champion. Then we've got Wither Grasp Double Drool, a Turned Skin Blitzer. Then we have Bile Rot Vomit Flesh Nurgle player, 180,000 gold pieces. Then we've got Max Spleen Ripper Chaos Cultist. Next up is Grashnak Blackhoof, the Great Black Bull, 310 gold pieces. Jeez. Lord Boric the Despoiler, Lord of Chaos, Agony Uncle. And lastly, we have Guffle Pussmaw, Nurgle player. Alright, then we've got our ref card, which is just the how to use these cards card, ironically. Alright, then we've got our random events cards. And first up is The Excitement is Contagious. Play during the pre-match sequence after teams have been set up but before placing the ball. The effect is for the duration of this drive. When an opposition player is pushed into the crowd, add 1 to the injury roll made to see what the crowd does to them. That's actually kind of nasty. Or it can be. Then we have Puss the Ball. And lastly, Bountiful Growth. So there's only 3 of those. Alright. Then we've got the team cards here. And then we'll get into the dirty tricks because they're at the bottom. So, first up we have a Rot Spawn. The second one. Third one. Then we have a Bloater. Another Bloater. Third Bloater. Fourth one. Fifth one. Then we have a Pestigore. Another Pestigore. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Then we have a Rotter. Another Rotter. Another Rotter. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one. Eighth. Then we have the Rot Spawn card. Here's a Bloater card. Pestigore. And the Rotter. Then we have our general team card. And on the back is the match record. That brings us to the dirty tricks. And there are 4 of these. We've got super rating scores. Sweat socks. Plentiful poxes. And lastly, public inconvenience. Alright, now if you've got all these cards and you've got the full deck, card quality is really nice. The design's nice, the art's good, the thickness is really good. I like the coating, it's really easy to pick up. Sometimes the cards do kind of stick together when they're new, but it's not too bad. And they're not slick, so they're not going all over the place. But that's everything that is inside the Blood Bowl team card pack for the Nurgle team. And we've seen what's inside, given my opinion on it, so that's this episode. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future openings, and we hope to see you on the next one.